Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic on bee pharmacy. So, welcome to PharmaWiki YouTube channel. You need to subscribe to the channel to get more wonderful videos and click on the bell icon to view the updates. And let's go to our topic, the scope of bee pharmacy in India, and also we'll discuss about the bee pharmacy scope in abroad. And today let's discuss the highest paid jobs in pharma sector, so that as a bee pharmacy student or a parent of a bee farm student, you know what to do after your bee pharmacy. So let's go to the topic. First, MBA in healthcare. After B pharmacy, if you take MBA in healthcare, it ways of great use, and it's not that you should do anywhere normal MBA, but you have to top the CAT and you need to do your MBA in B schools like IIM. Okay, this will fetch you a great advantage of getting into placed in multinational companies, and especially in the pharmaceutical sector with highest pay. Yes, that's true. One of my friend even earns 2 lakhs per annum through his MBA degree after B Pharmacy. The MBA degree from top B school, along with B pharmacy as an basic, so that will give you a greatest opportunities to earn more. Okay, don't think only B pharmacy is only for a pharmacist and you can earn only a 10 to 12k or a max up to 20,000. There are much more opportunities like this MBA healthcare, so that you can earn more from out of B pharmacy. Okay, then next are regulatory affairs. Regulatory affairs are the most trending in India right now. So you can do a course, not exactly a 6 months course, but you can take even a 1 year diploma in regulatory affairs. Many of the top universities in India are providing this regulatory affairs course. Do the course and join as a regulatory affair even in a basic position. Then as you fetch some experience, you can do your LLB, and this will fetch you a great opportunities from different companies, even all the pharmaceutical firms who need their regulatory regarding content, intellectual property rights or anything. They will hire you with highest salary you can ever imagine. Okay, next, as everyone knows, B pharmacy people can enter pharmaceutical industries, whether it is a manufacturing unit of production departments, formulation departments, anything. You can do MBA from any university, and you can go where as a managers for this pharmaceutical industries, so that you can earn more than the basic B Pharma level people. So you can do, even the production departments have highest paying jobs as per your skills. So this might be a slower process, but this is a very good opportunity for all the B pharmacy students. Now let's come to the government sector. Yes, government sector also you have high paying jobs specifically for the pharmacy students like drug inspectors. As we all know, drug inspectors, the pay starting salary will be around 60,000 from the first month onwards, and other government sector jobs like FCI, Food Corporation of India, will also issue notifications for food inspectors, where B pharmacy students are eligible for this job. Okay, RRB, Railway Recruitment Board pharmacists will earn around 40,000 per month from the day one itself. The next great opportunity for all the V Pharmacy students is business. If you are really keen into business and if you can afford and you can invest, it is a great and profitable niche for a business. The margins in the pharmaceutical business is around 80%. You believe it or not, it much more than any other business. So you can go for a pharmaceutical business. Either it's a pharmacy or you can even start a small scale pharmaceutical industry. With your present B Pharm certificate, you can do a great research on the business opportunities and the industries. Then you go for whatever you are interested, then you can earn so well. Other important opportunity for all the pharma students is research. Yes, you heard it, but this takes a long process. Like, first you need to do your masters, then go for a PhD. Don't go for a PhD on normal colleges, but I suggest you to go into directly into the university campus so that you can be a assistant professor there for a while. Then you will be promoted as an associate professor, then you will be the HOD, head of the department. Then you can be the dean of the university one day. Dream big and you can achieve wonders from the B Pharmacy. The way you see it, the more you achieve it. Okay, dream big and achieve big. All the best for more wonderful content. Please subscribe to our channel and continue to like us and comment us what you wanna know about B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy, any other things in the pharma sector. Thank you. Goodbye.